Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lisa and this is Megan. Today we are going to show you something. She's got some, watch out, some clear slime right here. And then she's got
glitter.
some glitter. So
Pink.
she's going to add it onto the slime.
Only a teeny bit is right here. Okay.
You don't need a lot, so you just mix it in.
Oh, it's already turning out so pretty. It's getting stuck on my hands.
It's very sticky.
Look at that.
She's got a big container full of this
Big.
that her dad got her. It's clear.
Look how pink it is. I can't even get it
Yeah.
off. It's like,
Very sticky.
you can't even get it. I know.
Just a little bit. You don't need a lot, Megan.
It's like already super pink. Can you see it? You can see it, right?
Yep. See how cool that is?
Look at that. It's like so pink. And I can't even get it off this. Uh-oh.
Rub it all together.
I can't even get this off now.
It's coming off. You gotta roll it all together.
My hand's gonna... Oh my god. I think this was a bad idea for this one.
Yeah, just stick it.
Oh god. I bet this was a bad idea.
You do this.
And it's like super pink. Look how pink it is. And my mom hates slime. She hates it. She hates it.
All right.
Give me a face. Funny face. Look at all that pink slime. It's going to be all sticky on your hands now. Good luck. I know it's sticky.
Very sticky.
Okay. Don't get...
I don't know, Megan. Anyway,
Look at her hand.
you want to make your own glitter slime? I guess this is how to do it.
Get a big container of clear slime.
And
Make
you
sure it's
can-
sticky, not too sticky. And you get a container of glitter, and you just
we found all this at
Five Below.
Five Below.
You got it? You can wash the rest off with your hand. Soap. Come on, here. Here.
I'm getting it.
No, it doesn't matter. I don't care about the other clear. Here.
See. Get a little bit.
It's so pretty. And show them the box of the glitter. I'll be back, guys.
We are going to show you the box of glitter we have. It's 24, I think it's 24 different colors.
Yep, 24 different colors. I'm gonna add a little bit of white.
No, we're not taking them out. See guys, don't move it. Got all kinds of different colors here. Okay, so what color is that?
Wait. You can't really get that much out. Can't get that much out. So like this? No, it's the other way, right? There.
Alright, now take it up, hold it in both your hands and like spread it. See you guys? Okay. Alright, I want to thank you all for watching.
And my mom's going to be doing a devotional.
I'll be doing a devotional here in a few minutes. I got 2 coming for you guys.
So be ready for that video.
And I thank you all for watching. Like,
Subscribe. Turn on those post notifications.
and comment
Down
down
below.
below.
We'll see you all next time. Bye.